Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you're going to learn how I made this two-in-one bridal handfan. You can use the rechargeable handfan and as well use the normal bridal handfan. So stay tuned guys and watch this video to the end. It's quite explanatory. Thank you. I started by carving out my carton to get the shape I want and then place the rechargeable fan on it to get the measurement before cutting out. Then after getting the bridal fan skeleton, I cut out another one to make it thicker so it won't fold easily. As you can see, I'm trying to make out the space for the rechargeable fan. Then join the two cartons together. Then you can now size in your rechargeable fan, then cover it with a blue lining material. Placed my rechargeable hand fan in it and then gummed it together. Started gumming my blue feathers with my candle gum. So I did it front and back, as you can see here. You continue gumming it till you get to the end of it. Then I used my golden color trimming to cover it so it will look neater. Like the client wanted the blue and golden color, that was why I used the golden color. You can as well use zero of the day. So I covered it and used another trimming, cut it into pieces to cover the bridal handfan. So this time I used a leather material to carve out the names because she wanted it customized, like the name she wants written on it is Asa Green. So I started carving out the names to be placed on it. So after carving out the names, as you can see here, I use my candle gum stapler to gum it, then place this gently, neatly on the bridal ham fan. Then after placing the names, I got this fabric bit and placed it at the center of the rechargeable fan to give it a neater closure. The same thing, I repeated it behind. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.